Young Hansen, please introduce yourself.
My name is Ling. I'm 30 years old. I'm in class SP at Tyson Primary and Secondary School. My hobby is listening to music because it makes me feel relaxed and reduce stress.
That's good. Okay, can you talk about your family?
My family has 5 members. There are my mother, my father, 2 young brothers, and me.
Okay, 2 younger brothers, okay, and you. That's good. Let's talk about shopping, okay? Do you often go shopping?
Yes, I do.
Okay, that's great. How many ways can you shop?
2 ways.
Okay,
There are online shopping and offline shopping.
that's good. Okay, what's your favorite shop?
My favorite shop is Lanchi Supermarket.
Where is Lanchi?
It's in Tam Điệp City.
Okay, what do you buy from Lanchi?
Twice a week.
What do you buy from Lanchi?
I buy food, drink, and other things.
That's great. How often do you go to Lanchi?
I often go shopping twice a week.
Twice a week. That's great. Okay, who can go to Lanchi?
Everybody can go there.
Okay, that's good. Why do you like Lanchi?
I like Lanchi because the place in it and their items are cheap.
The items are cheaper. That's good. Okay, we have 2 ways of shopping, okay? Online and offline. Which one do you prefer?
I prefer shopping online
Why?
because their items are cheaper and more convenient.
And more convenient. That's good. Let's talk about this. What's this?
Hurricane,
This,
thunder,
this,
forest fire,
and that.
tornado.
Good. Can you tell me about your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is coffee.
What about your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is math.
Who is your math teacher?
My math teacher
Is?
is Peterson.
Okay. Do you like him?
Yes,
Why?
because he very
He's friendly, okay?
friendly.
Okay, that's okay. Good job. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Okay.